So right now, I'm just flushing with cold water for my cold water fill. And definitely have some sediment. The water has been clear. It's slightly cloudy at first on the first pumping. But I don't know if that was just the pressure and the air bubbles mixing the CLR and the vinegar making it cloudy, or what. But that's pretty clear. And some sediment. I do have well water, so to be expected. I have a 5 micron filter on the tank before it goes to the house, but we all know stuff still gets by those filters. Not too bad. Hell, all that stuff could be pieces from my pump too. I flushed my pump with my hot tub. I drained the hot tub and that was clean. So about 500 gallons of chlorinated water went through the pump. Should have been pretty damn clean.